Question number 5th on depreciation. On 1/4/2014, machinery was purchased for rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so machinery is purchased for 1 lakh. Depreciation is provided at the rate 20% per annum under straight line method. So two things, as you read on the question, just remember to note down. One is which method, so write here straight line method, and depreciation rate is at the rate 20% per annum. Show posting in machinery account if machine is sold for rupees 70,000 on 31/3/2015. So the year which is given is 14-15 and machinery was purchased and sold in the same year. So let's start with the solution presented by aforaccounts.com. Let's plot the machinery account. Okay, first thing, machinery was purchased. So entry is machinery is an asset. When asset comes in debited, machinery account debit to cash or bank. So to cash bank. What goes out is cash or bank and what is coming in is machinery. So machinery account debit to cash or bank and the date is 1/4/14 and the amount is 1 lakh as given to us. Depreciation is provided at 20% per annum on straight line method. So entry for depreciation will be depreciation account debit to machinery, depreciation expense, so depreciation account debit, and the value of machinery is getting reduced due to depreciation, so machinery will be credited. So 31/3/2015. What is the entry of depreciation? Depreciation account debit to machinery. So by depreciation, and the depreciation on 1 lakh 20% is 20,000. It's here. So show posting in machinery account if machine is sold for 70,000 on 31/3/2015. So it is also sold on 31/3/15. You have received 70,000 due to sale of machinery. So the entry will be bank account debit. पैसा मिला है, मशीनरी बेची है तो, so बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट और मशीनरी क्रेडिट करोगे because machinery is no more with you. So bank account debit to machinery by bank. How much? 70,000. Now the first thing is whenever there is sales, the first thing will be depreciation. जब तक बेचा नहीं है तब तक का depreciation दो, सेल का एंट्री करो and immediately start finding profit or loss on the sale of machinery. So it will be, see, cost is 1 lakh of machinery and now 20,000 is depreciation till sales and 70,000. What is 70,000? 70,000 is sale of machinery. So 70 plus 20, 90. Out of 1 lakh you subtract 90,000, you get 10,000. So 10,000 is still remaining. So 10,000 is your loss on sale of machinery. So entry for loss on sale of your asset will be profit and loss account debit. Since it is a loss, remember entry profit and loss account debit. How much is the loss? 10,000. So profit and loss account debit 10,000 to machinery or to whatsoever asset is it. If it is profit, it will be machinery account debit to profit and loss account. But here in this case it is loss. So on 31/3/15, profit and loss account debit to machinery. So by प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. देखो मशीनरी परचेज करेंगे, सो मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश और बैंक. डेप्रिसिएशन लगा रहे हो मशीनरी पे, सेल कर रहे हो, लॉस हो रहा है, सो एंट्री इज डेप्रिसिएशन टू मशीनरी. Bank on sales, so bank to machinery, and in case of loss, profit and loss account debit to machinery. So how much is the loss? 10,000 is the loss. All the entries done. Now tally your total. 1 lakh and 70, 80, 90 and 10. 1 lakh. We'll do further many more questions that will clear your concepts on sale of an asset in middle of the year or at the end. So let's continue.